Hey, look what we have here, a 79 Corvette with just over 21,000 miles. This is an original car. Got all the paperwork, which I'm going to show you. This car is for sale. Go to volocars.com. That takes you to our website. We have hundreds of collector cars for sale. This will be posted with all the pictures, top to bottom, all the specs. Any questions, you let us know. We'll help you get this thing into your driveway. Let's take it for a spin. It is mostly original paint. It's, I want to say perfect, but it's darn close. I think I've seen a little nick or two touched up here and there, but it's in really nice shape. No body damage at all. It's a slick white paint. Has the optional aluminum wheels and has the optional glass tops. To me, those are two big options. I would have to have those if I was looking for one of these. Rear window defogger. The trim's in real nice shape. Rubber bumpers in real nice shape. Tail lights are real good. Got a little tiny trunk, but that's all right. The glass is all real nice. The interior is really nice. Somehow it still smells like a new car in there. If you were here, you would agree with me. But bright red interior, I will almost say perfect. I didn't see a flaw. The leather is soft, the carpets are not stained, everything's bright red, leather steering wheel, tilt, got cruise control. Everything's working in this car. It's got the optional cassette stereo, which was really state of the art at the time. Actually, it sounds really good. Motor compartments all original. They had to maintain it, so it's got a new alternator and minor things, but all the vacuum lines and all the duct work going to the air cleaner, the manifolds, the heat riser tube, that's all still there. It's all original. You could participate in Corvette shows, get this thing judged. It's that type of car. Real nice clear windshield. Love the red interior. It just pops. If this was a black interior, the car wouldn't excite me as much as it does. But here we've got extra keys. And we've got the original manual, original invoice, the build sheet, and all this literature that came with it. All good stuff. The warranty booklet, maintenance records, owner history. That's all right here in this book. That's all good stuff. You got power windows. Air conditioning is ice cold. I'm going to start it up for you. Interior lights work. But yeah, look at this interior. Look at the handles, the armrest. It's like mint inside. Really nice. I've always been a fan of these seats and this leather steering wheel. This is great. Ashtray's real clean, like it's not a smoker. I was listening to the stereo outside. It played beautifully in this metal building. I'm not getting reception. And I'm sorry I don't have any cassette tapes on me. It runs real nice and smooth. Them headlights just pop right open. Said power windows. Yeah, sitting in here, the visors, the inside mirror. It's just spotless. Open the glove box, it looks like new. The vents are still clean. Yeah, this is a really nice original Corvette. This is ready to go to Bloomington Gold and be judged if you so desire, or just enjoy the car and know that you own one of the best preserved low-mile Corvettes there are. This is America's sports cars. We love our Corvettes. This is only going to appreciate in value. See, it runs real nice and smooth. All the lights work. License plate light works. So there you have it. Top right of your screen, you can click on the tab. It'll take you to our website and show you this car as well as the others. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be putting lots of cars. We got a lot of great ideas, and that keeps you in touch with what we have coming in as well. So give us a call, 815-385-3644, and we'd be glad to help you out with this one. Thank you.